everybody. This is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold from Path Trading Partners for our AM Path Chat covering equities. We have our second day of Janet Yellen's Humphrey Hawkins testimony. It used to be called the Humphrey Hawkins testimony, which is the annual testimony to Congress. She did the Senate Banking Committee yesterday. She's doing the House Financial Services Committee today. The Q&A from the House Financial Services Committee will be more aggressive than the Senate. It generally is. And also they've had overnight to think about the way she answered the questions from the Senate. So they'll be a little more aggressive to her. So keep an eye on that. We had consumer prices come out, US CPI come out. The headline number was 0.6. It was expected at 0.3. So that was double the expectation. Obviously, the food and energy number was 0.3. It was expected at 0.2. So both of those a little hotter. We should expect that to cause rates to rise a little bit, possibly cause a little bit of pressure on equities and a spike in the dollar, on the anticipation that this may cause a little bit more heated discussion on rate hikes at the Fed. We also had retail sales come out. Retail sales also came out hot. The advanced retail sales for January, the headline number came out at 0.4. It was expected at 0.1. And the ex-autos number was 0.8, and that was expected at 0.4. So that also came out double the number that was expected. And we had the Empire Index, which is a measure of manufacturing in New York State, come out at 18.7. It was expected at 6.5, so well above the expectations. So hot data, Q&A with the House Financial Services Committee with Janet Yellen and Mike Arnold on the charts. Take it away, Mike.
Okay, thanks, Bob. So we have the S&P E-mini futures up here on the screen right now. If we do continue higher, the next levels are 23.42 and 23.4850 are the next levels higher. If we pull back, we're looking for a pullback to the 23.21 area. And then we have the rising 8 coming in conjunction with that. So we will have to see. We haven't had too many down days recently. So if we do have a pullback, it would not be surprising. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. We hit the upper channel line or rising wedge line yesterday, and now I have some pullback levels on here. Don't have any levels to call out higher than the Nasdaq now, but if we pull back, I'm looking for a pullback to around the 52.30 and a half mark. That's where I'm looking for some key support if we do pull back. And remember, if we do close below the wedge support line, it's going to trigger the wedge pattern, which we've gone through repeatedly. And then the Dow, we've hit the next major level up and the upper wedge channel line also, which may, if we continue higher, we'll have to be redrawn. If we do, the next major level higher in the Dow is 2760 level, the 2760 level. Wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback. Before then, if we do pull back, we're looking at about the 20,222 level, where you also have the rotation zone coming in. So we'll have to keep an eye on that one also. But those are the levels in the major stock indices. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Michael. Remember the Money Path podcast. You can find that on our website, or you can type the Money Path podcast into your iTunes app. Just put it in the search bar, it'll pop up. Please subscribe to that. Follow us on Twitter, Path Trading Partners. Visit our website, pathtradingpartners.com, and shoot us an email at support@pathtradingpartners.com if you'd like us to cover something else. We'll see you guys later this afternoon. Thanks for watching.